So let's get right into it then. Boozhoo, Ajidamoo, Michael Lyons. And yeah, we're just going to read it. And no cold open. I'm not a Boozhoo. This is a book by Michael Lyons. Boozhoo, Ajidamoo by Michael Lyons. Okay. Can the camera see this? Boozhoo, Ajidamoo. Oh, look at him. The sunrise. You know, Giga Jub, he's probably thinking. Here we are, and he says, Boozhoo, Ajidamoo. Boozhoo, Jesus. Hello, son. Boozhoo, Ajidamoo. Boozhoo, Giji Giji Gana Shin. Chickadee, Giji Giji Gana Shin. Boozhoo, Ajidamoo. It says, Boozhoo, Mamengwa. Butterfly, Mamengwa. Boozhoo, Asiban. Boozhoo, Asiban. He's a sleepy raccoon. Asiban. Asiban. Huh? Oh, Boozhoo, Ajidamoo. Boozhoo, Ajidamoo. Boozhoo, Undeg. Undeg. Crow. Undeg. Boozhoo, Ajida. I was gonna say Ajidamoo, but then look, it's a spaceship. Couldn't even get it out. Oh, what? Pika! Wait! You're too fast. Wait, Pika! Wait. Oh! Comes around the tree and he sees an alien. Alien's thinking, Boozhoo Niji. Hello, brother. And the little hummingbird says, Boozhoo ne nukasi. Boozhoo ne nukasi. Indigenous cause. Hummingbird is my name. Ne nukasi. Indigenous cause. Alien says, Boozhoo. And he beams it into Ajidamoo's head. And then we got Boozhoo, Ajidamoo, Indigenous cause. Boozhoo, Ajidamoo, Indigenous cause. Hello, squirrel is my name. Stephen, Indigenous cause. Stephen is my name. Majada, let's go. He's saying, let's go for a joyride in my spaceship. Nenukasi says, he don't want to do it. But Ajidamoo, he's interested. He's like, he might want to go with this tall stranger. Although the stranger's not that tall. Look how big the hummingbird is. Then they fly out into space here, and he's leaving Earth. He says, Gigawaba min Aki. I'll see you, Earth. And he drives by the moon. He's like, Gigawaba min Debik Jesus. I'll see you, moon. I'll see ya, Debik Jesus. Moon, or sun at night. Debik Jesus. Oh, now he's flying around space. He's taking a joyride, and then he flies through a wormhole, and he's gonna swing back around. Just did a U-turn. Boozhoo, Debik Jesus. Hello, sun at night. Hello, moon. Boozhoo, Aki. Hello, Earth. Should have said Mama Aki. Hello, Mother Earth. She's the mother to us all. Yeah. Aki, Earth. All right. Now it looks like he's getting teleported. He's getting teleported from that flying saucer, and he says, "Oh, miigwech. Oh, miigwech. Thank you." If we had a ho at the beginning, it's kind of like an exclamation point. Oh, miigwech. Really, thank you. And here we got Gigawabamin, Stephen. Gigawabamin, I'll see you, Stephen. And Stephen says, Gigawabamin, Ajidamoo. I'll see you, Ajidamoo. I'll see you, squirrel. And finally, Stephen's out into space again. And Ajidamoo sits back and he says, Hoa. The end. Hoa. There you have it. Boozhoo, Ajidamoo by Michael Lyons. sometimes people ask me, what does hoa means? And if you know, if you're Norwegian, hoa, it's the same thing as ufta, hoa. I don't know. So yeah. Well, I want to thank you for watching Boozhoo Ajidamoo podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And yeah, that's all for today. I'll see you again. Gigawabamin, Minowa. Oh, all right. So what do you think? Good enough? It's kind of long. Want to do something else? Boozhoo Ajidamoo at Michael Lyons. Should put a link in the description so they can buy it.